In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show ruler grid lines in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I've just opened a new Microsoft Word document here, and I like to display or show ruler grid lines. To do this, just head over to View option, and then from View, you should be able to see we have ruler and grid lines here. To show ruler, if you click on it, now you should see we have ruler calibrations here on top, and also on the sidebar we have ruler calibrations. If you want to add grid lines on your page, it's also simple. Just go ahead and tick on grid lines here, and this will add the ruler grid lines on your Word document. So that's how you can show ruler grid lines on your Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.